square,
rectangle, cross, triangle, pentagon, star, circle, rhombus, quatrefoil, square, triangle, cross, rhombus, quatrefoil, pentagon, rectangle, star, circle. What is this geometric figure? This is rectangle. What is this geometric figure? This is triangle. What is this geometric figure? This is crescent. What is this geometric figure? This is hexagon. What is this geometric figure? This is heart. What is this geometric figure? This is trapezoid. What is this geometric figure? This is cone. What is this geometric figure? This is triangle. What is this geometric figure? This is oval. What is this geometric figure? This is circle. What is this geometric figure? This is star. What is this geometric figure? This is isosceles trapezoid. What is this geometric figure? This is square. What is this geometric figure? This is rhombus. What is this geometric figure? This is parallelogram. What is this geometric figure? This is semicircle. What is this geometric figure? This is triangle. What is this geometric figure? This is pentagon. Cone, semicircle, hexagon, square, circle, parallelogram, heart, star, oval, rectangle, triangle, triangle, crescent, trapezoid, rhombus, triangle, isosceles trapezoid, pentagon.